Hello, grade 3. Um, Making this video now on the fourth package that some of you might not have opened yet or gotten yet, but this video is here just to give a little bit of an extra understanding of what you have to do if you're just a little bit confused about it. So on the first day, the directions, June 2nd, will say Lesson 1, Report Writing. Read the page dated June 2nd, and then write notes in the organizer on the page dated June 2nd. Ask your parents to help you if there are any words you don't understand. So what you'll do, when you go to that first page, you will see an article. And some of you will have blue whale, some of you might have giant panda, and some might have the cheetah. And you're going to read this article, and be best to read it a couple of times, maybe once out loud, at least to a brother, sister, or mom or dad. And then after you've read it and you've, figured out some of the hard words, if there's any there, then you will go to the next part, which is the organizer. So when you flip to the organizer, you will. I have done this one for you for the blue whale one. So this will just be a little example of what you would do. So you would read it and you would make notes. So the first part is size. How big is it? Well, back here in the article, the blue whale is a very big animal. So you could write your note in as very big. That would be an example of a note that you would write about that. And going through it again, when it comes to size, there's another part about its size here, and it says that its heart is the size of a small car. So its heart is as big as a small car. So I changed the wording a little bit, so it's sort of my own words. It's not copying it exactly. You just want to make a note to give you the idea. Now over here for food, in this article, there's only one mention of food, and that's they like to eat tiny animals called krill. So you just write down krill there. You could put down a small animal there too in your note, but krill would be fine. Then babies. There's one fact that I found in there about babies. When it is born, it is as heavy as an F-150. A couple of fun facts that I found in there was they float and they can live to be 90. So now you have some information and you can write your own report about blue whales. And it will be yours. It will be your own words, not copying from the words up there. If you would like, you can find another source, but you don't have to do that. So if you have a book in your house, or if you can get your mom or dad to use the internet, you can find another source and add it in. But this will be enough if you just want to take this information and write it. So you have read something, you've learned about it, and now you're trying to write it down so you could give it to someone and they could learn the same thing, but they'd be reading your article, your report. So if there's any questions about this, talk to your teacher about it. And I hope this might have made it a little more, a little easier to understand. Okay. See ya.